daily practice for English.
Do they study English?
Yes, they study English.
Do you like English?
Yes, I like English.
Where do you work?
I work at a school.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise every day.
Do you live in a city?
Yes, I live in a city.
What do you do every morning?
I eat breakfast and go to work.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I do.
Do you watch TV every day?
No, I don't.
Are you working now?
No, I am not working now.
Is it raining?
Yes, it is raining.
What are you doing?
I am reading a book.
What is she doing?
She is cooking dinner.
Are they coming?
Yes, they are coming now.
What are you wearing?
I am wearing a green shirt.
Is he watching TV?
Yes, he is watching a movie.
Are they playing soccer?
Yes, they are playing soccer now.
Are you writing a letter?
Yes, I am writing a letter.
What are they talking about?
They are talking about their vacation.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I ate breakfast.
Where did you go yesterday?
I went to school yesterday.
Did you see the movie?
Yes, I saw the movie.
What did you eat yesterday?
I ate pizza yesterday.
Where did you go last weekend?
I went to the beach last weekend.
When did you start learning English?
I started learning English last year.
Did you go to the gym yesterday?
No, I didn't go to the gym yesterday.
What did you do at the party?
I danced and talked with friends.
What was the weather like yesterday?
It was sunny yesterday.
Did you call your friend yesterday?
Yes, I did.
What were you doing at 8 p.m.?
I was watching TV.
Were you sleeping?
No, I was studying.
Was she working?
Yes, she was working.
What were you studying yesterday?
I was studying English grammar.
What were you cooking yesterday?
I was cooking pasta.
Were they playing football?
Yes, they were.
Was it raining yesterday evening?
Yes, it was.
Were you reading a book?
Yes, I was.
Was he sleeping at midnight?
No, he wasn't.
What were the children doing?
They were playing outside.
Will you come tomorrow?
Yes, I will come tomorrow.
What will you do?
I will study English.
Will it rain?
Yes, it will rain.
Will you join us?
Yes, I will join you.
Will you finish soon?
Yes, I will finish in 10 minutes.
Will you help me?
Yes, I will.
Will she be there?
Yes, she will.
Will they arrive today?
No, they won't.
Will you call me later?
Yes, I will.
Will you attend the meeting?
Yes, I will.
Are you going to study?
Yes, I am going to study.
Is she going to work?
Yes, she is going to work.
What are you going to do?
I am going to sleep.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
I am going to visit my friend.
Are you going to travel next month?
Yes, I am going to travel.
Are you going to watch a movie tonight?
Yes, I am.
Is he going to buy a new car?
No, he isn't.
Are they going to visit their grandparents?
Yes, they are.
What are you going to have for dinner?
I am going to order pizza.
Are you going to learn English this year?
Yes, I am.
Have you eaten lunch?
No, I haven't eaten lunch yet.
Has she arrived?
Yes, she has arrived.
Have they finished their work?
Yes, they have finished their work.
Have you ever been to Paris?
No, I have never been to Paris.
Has she finished her homework?
Yes, she has finished it.
Have you booked your ticket yet?
Yes, I have already booked it.
Have you met any new friends?
Yes, I have met many new people.
Has it stopped raining?
Yes, it has stopped raining.
Have you heard the news?
Yes, I have heard the news.
Have they arrived?
No, they haven't arrived yet.
How long have you been studying?
I have been studying for 2 hours.
Have you been working?
Yes, I have been working all day.
Has it been raining?
Yes, it has been raining since morning.
Have you been exercising regularly?
Yes, I have been exercising for a month.
How long have you been waiting?
I have been waiting for 30 minutes.
Have you been working hard?
Yes, I have been working very hard.
How long have you been learning English?
I have been learning English for 1 year.
Have you been sleeping well?
Yes, I have.
Has she been studying all afternoon?
Yes, she has.
Have they been playing football?
Yes, they have.
Have they left?
Yes, they had left.
Had you seen him before?
No, I hadn't seen him before.
Had they left when you arrived?
Yes, they had left when I arrived.
Why were you tired?
Because I had worked all night.
Had she finished her work?
No, she hadn't.
Had you eaten before the meeting?
Yes, I had.
Had he called you before?
No, he hadn't.
Had they visited that place before?
Yes, they had.
Had you finished your homework?
Yes, I had.
Had the train left before you arrived?
Yes, it had.
Are you free now?
No, I am studying.
Did you eat yet?
No, I haven't eaten yet.
What are you doing this evening?
I am going to watch a movie.
What do you do every morning?
I wake up, eat breakfast, and go to work.
What are you doing right now?
I am preparing dinner.
What have you done today?
I have finished my homework.
Are you feeling better now?
Yes, I am feeling much better.
Why are you late?
There was heavy traffic.
What's for dinner?
We're having pasta tonight.
Can you help me with homework?
Yes, what subject do you need help with?
Where did you go last summer?
I went to Spain last summer.
Where are you going next year?
I am going to visit Japan.
What are your weekend plans?
I am going to visit my grandparents.
When will you return?
I will return on Sunday evening.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I have been to many countries.
Have you booked your ticket yet?
Yes, I have already booked it.
Are you going to travel next month?
Yes, I am going to travel to London.
How long have you lived here?
I have lived here for 5 years.
Have you ever been to Paris?
Yes, I have been to Paris twice.
What did you do on your vacation?
I visited many interesting places.
Will you join us tonight?
Yes, I will come to the party.
Have you met any new friends?
Yes, I have met many new people.
What did you do at the party?
I was dancing and talking with friends.
Are they coming?
Yes, they are coming now.
Can we talk later?
Yes, after dinner.
Everything okay?
I am just having a rough day.
Want to talk about it?
Not right now, thanks.
Where were you?
I was at work.
With whom were you?
I was with friends from college.
Why didn't you answer?
I was in a meeting.
Do you want to go on a date?
Yes, I would love to.
Are you seeing someone?
Yes, I started dating someone last month.
Can we talk about us?
Sure, what's on your mind?
Where is this relationship going?
I think we should become exclusive.
Why are you angry?
I am not angry, just tired.
Did I say something wrong?
I felt hurt when you criticized my work.
Why didn't you tell me?
I thought you already knew.
What did you mean by that?
I meant it as a joke.
Is long distance working?
It is hard, but worth it.
Can we video chat tonight?
Yes, I will call you at 8.
Coming to Christmas dinner?
Yes, I will bring dessert.
Why did you miss the wedding?
I was sick that day.
What's your gift idea?
I am getting them a book.
Who is cooking Thanksgiving dinner?
Mom is cooking at her house.
Can you host the party?
Yes, at my place next Saturday.
Why don't you visit more often?
I have been very busy with work.
When will I see you again?
I am visiting next month.
Why haven't you called?
The time zones make it difficult.
Do you miss your family?
Yes, very much.
How often do you visit your parents?
I visit them once a month.
Will you marry me?
Yes, I will.
When is the wedding?
We are planning for June.
Do you want children someday?
Yes, 2 or 3.
Are you ready for a baby?
Let's wait another year.
Who will watch the kids?
My mom will babysit.
Public or private school?
Let's look at both options.
What are your family vacation plans?
Disney World this summer.
Do you need some alone time?
Yes, just for an hour.
Are you moving in together?
Yes, when the lease ends.
Are you thinking about a career change?
Yes, I am thinking about it.
Do you work here now?
Yes, I have been working here for 2 years.
How long have you worked here?
I have worked here since January.
Working late again?
Yes, I have a big project due tomorrow.
Are you too busy to visit?
No, I will make time next weekend.
Did you miss family dinner?
Yes, I was stuck in a meeting.
Why are you always working?
I am trying to get a promotion.
Why weren't you at the meeting?
I thought it was tomorrow.
Can you help with this project?
Yes, I can help.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I enjoy it very much.
What do you do for work?
I work as a teacher.
Are you feeling better now?
Yes, I am feeling much better.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise every day.
Have you been exercising regularly?
Yes, I have been exercising for a month.
How long have you been exercising?
I have been exercising for 6 months.
Did you go to the gym yesterday?
No, I didn't go yesterday.
Are you tired today?
Yes, a little.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept very well.
Do you eat healthy food?
Yes, I try to eat healthy food.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, I do.
Are you feeling sick?
No, I feel fine.
Is it raining?
Yes, it is raining.
Has it been raining?
Yes, it has been raining since morning.
Has it stopped raining?
Yes, it has stopped raining.
What was the weather like yesterday?
It was sunny yesterday.
Will it snow tomorrow?
Yes, it will probably snow.
Is it cold outside?
Yes, it is very cold.
Is it hot today?
No, it is quite pleasant.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I do.
Is it windy today?
Yes, a little.
What's the weather like today?
It is warm and sunny.
What are you doing these days?
I am learning to play guitar.
What have you done today?
I have studied English and finished my homework.
What are you doing this evening?
I am going to watch a movie.
What will you do next week?
I am going to visit my parents.
How long have you known her?
I have known her since 2025.
What is she eating?
She is eating an apple.
What are they talking about?
They are talking about their vacation.
Have you seen this movie before?
Yes, I have seen it before.
Has he done his chores?
Yes, he has done all his chores.
Have they just arrived?
Yes, they have just arrived.
Why are you late?
I was stuck in traffic.
Why didn't you call?
My phone was dead.
Can you tell me the truth?
Yes, here is what happened.
Do you promise?
Yes, I promise.
What are your weekend plans?
I am going to visit my grandparents.
Have you eaten lunch yet?
No, I haven't eaten lunch yet.
Where did you go yesterday?
I went to school yesterday.
Will you come tomorrow?
Yes, I will come tomorrow.
Are you studying English now?
Yes, I am studying English now.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I enjoy learning English very much.